So guys, back here just looking at Expedia, popped up on one of my scans. See here we have a high to potential second entry long opportunity here. So we have a larger breakout of a pretty big range from here down, and this could be considered the whole range really. So double bottom here, or you can consider this maybe a head and shoulders, however you want to look at this pattern. But ultimately, um, the measured move somewhere here at 176. I don't know if Expedia's ever been a high. It has. So it wouldn't necessarily be a all-time high, which is cool. It will fill this gap, like if you're a liquidity trader. So this is a potential reversal back down, or at least a potential resistance for bulls. But I do see us getting a little bit higher based on this projection, but also this pullback alone. It's a healthy pullback. We've seen coming off the lows here a nice, large, healthy volume spike. As we got to this level here, we had already made the reversal here, double bottom, and we were off to the races. So one thing we can take a look at is how healthy the legs were. So while analyzing this, I want to see where I'm just going to count that as a leg, and I'll see, is this leg as strong, as high? It's not. So that's one thing we have to take into consideration. The leg is a little smaller. In this uptrend, there's also these, you can count these mini legs here. So maybe this was the previous leg. And then did we get stronger on that next leg up? And technically we did. I do like the strength here. I do like that our sigma spikes, we do have one in our direction that is the gap up. These really have, these pullback bars for the bull or for the bears really have no strength to them. We had a low one entry here. It failed, it got reversed out here. Then we had high two or high one that failed. So now both bears and bulls failed one time. And now we had a second entry short that is really weak. Here, you can see the bulls protected this area here. And that leads me to believe that if we get just above this bar, that we can send it at least to the top of this pivot here, offering us a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Where would I put my stop? Earnings are coming up, so I think, delete this. Sorry. Earnings are coming up, so I think it's got to be short play here. I would think maybe taking out a like a 30 delta option here and closing it before earnings, because you're going to get the earnings run up volatility that's going to increase the price of the option. And then if we get the run up to here to the top of this pivot, that will also pay generously, so you can trim off as you get to earnings. But I wouldn't hold through earnings. I would look for this to hit this top before earnings, and then let earnings decide where it goes from there. That's my view on Expedia, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.